Hello learners, today in this video we are going to revise syllabus of second unit test chapter number 10 to 13 of 8th standard science. We are going to conduct online test using Google form, so you have to appear for the online test. In this video, pupils will revise their memory and will get prepared to appear for second unit test. Syllabus for second unit test is lesson number 10 to 13 and test B of 20 marks. Here is the paper pattern. First question is multiple choice question, that is MCQ type, where we will provide you 4 options and you have to select correct option as an answer. Second question will be including activity based question, some higher order thinking questions based on some questions based on experiment, or identify the figure or label the parts of given figure, etc. For these questions also we will provide you 4 options and you have to select correct option as an answer. Students, you will note down these questions and answer in your science classwork notebook. So let's begin with outlines of all lessons. In chapter 10, we have learned about cells, with prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells, and 2 subtypes of eukaryotic cells, that is plant cell and animal cell. Then we studied about components of the cell like cell wall, plasma membrane, etc. Then we got acquainted with the process that consumes cellular energy, that is endocytosis and exocytosis, followed by the process that not consume cellular energy, that is diffusion and osmosis. Lastly, we studied about different cell organelles like Golgi complex, etc. In chapter 11, we have learned about respiratory and circulatory system, its parts and function of each part. Then we get familiar about 8 main blood groups. We also come to know that the person with blood group O is called the universal blood donor and the person with blood group AB is called as universal blood recipient. Then we come to know about blood pressure and its 2 types, that is systolic pressure and diastolic pressure. In chapter 12, we have learned different types of indicators, that is natural or domestic and synthetic indicators with examples. We also studied the changes in indicator in different medium by observing small activities. Then we saw different properties of acid and bases and its uses, followed by the meaning of neutralization reaction. In chapter 13, we got familiar with some terms like physical and chemical changes. Then we studied some natural chemical changes like respiration and photosynthesis, followed by man-made chemical changes like combustion of fuel, softening of hard water, etc. Then we learned 2 important chemical bonds, ionic bond or equivalent bond and covalent bond. So let's begin with the question. Our first question is, leaves are green because of, option are mitochondria, stroma, chloroplast, both A and B. The correct answer is chloroplast. Second question is, Dash is a ATP producing factory. Options are mitochondria, lysosomes, both A and B, and vacuoles. The correct answer is mitochondria. Here is the third question. Dash gives me the color to red tomato. Options are lycopene, carotene, anthocyanin, and chlorophyll. And the correct answer is lycopene. Next question is normal body temperature is dash. Options are 37 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius, and none of the above. The correct answer is 37 degrees Celsius. Next question is cardiac muscles are dash. The correct answer is involuntary. Next is dash is present at the center in thoracic cage. Options are lungs, nose, heart, and windpipe. The correct answer is heart. Here is the next question. Main constituents of acid is H- ion, H plus ion, OH plus ion, or both A and B. The answer is H plus ion. Next question. Water has dash bond. The correct answer is covalent bond. So let's begin with our second question. Here also we have given you 4 options. The first question is they have given you the figure, you have to identify that figure, and the given figure is capillaries. So correct answer is option B, capillaries. Second question, they have shown you the types of bond between sodium and chlorine. The correct answer is ionic bond. The third question is you have to complete the given chart. Here indicators are of 2 types. One is natural or domestic indicator and the second one is synthetic indicator. Next question is person of blood group O is called as dash. We know that students, the person with blood group O is the universal donor. So the answer is B, universal donor. Thank you.